Soak the dal and rice for 1 hour. Take a pressure cooker, add red chilies, bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves, jeera or cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Add chopped onions, chopped potatoes and curry leaves. After the onions are slightly cooked, add 2 glasses of water. To this mixture, add garam masala powder, chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander or dhania powder and salt and bring this to boil. Once the water starts boiling, now add your soaked rice and dal and mix it really well. Put the pressure cooker lid and cook on slow flame for 4 to 5 whistles or around 20 minutes. Once the pressure cooker cools down, open the lid and check the consistency of the khichdi. It should not be too watery. Garnish your tasty khichdi with coriander and serve it hot.